Senza namhlanje siyabheka ne? Siyabheka. Hey guys, so namhlanje siyabheka, baking with Mimi. Mimi, will you be baking for us today? What is this? Egg. Yes. Okay. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Malume here with a very beautiful face, and if you're joining me for the very first time, welcome and welcome honey, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back honey. So guys, today we are baking. Mimi wants to bake. Mimi's gonna bake for us. Ambovala umnyango no moya. Ambovala umnyango umpilo. Mimi? Hey guys, so Mimi and Malume are gonna be baking for us today. Mimi? Are you gonna bake for us today? Let's bake it, Adon. Okay.
No.
Mimi? Yeah, come on, come on. And action! Mimi? Since I know Sanje. The bake. Bakalel. Mimi? The bake and I'm Sanje. So guys, today, welcome to episode 1 of Mimi and Malume Moments. They are going to be baking for us. Mimi ute ucela ubeka. So yeah, kindly for money is just a banana bread. Stop fighting. Umpile, you wanna tell guys uba intonle? Umpile, what is this? Egg. And the egg. Ne? What is this? And what is this? This? What is this? Mandi. Okay. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys, isn't it? Okay guys. Okay guys, so this is all the stuff that we're gonna need and we'll be using. Maybe muffin mix. Let me try to pick up it. Okay. I can. Okay guys, we're gonna start with the wet ingredients first. Wet ingredients. Bathi bani apha 400 ml of water. So ngizogalela 400 ml. Sebenzisa i-measuring cup. Faka 400 ml of water. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the wet ingredients first.
Yeah!
450. Faka mir. Was kauft ihr denn? Yes! You did it, Mimi. Okay, and then eggs. Mimi?
Never thought that it would be me, but I guess you never know what's underneath. Everybody gets their happy ending, while it feels like my time is fading. There's a pink line that I can't see. I've prayed all night, but it doesn't seem to work out. I've cried and hoped, what am I supposed to do now? Diving off, but I don't know if there's a deep end. Won't give up even if nobody sees it. You'll be here before we know it, I can feel it. You're my only reason. Know the doctor's gonna tell me your heart's beating. A mother knows her instincts better than her breathing. I can't wait to meet you in a couple seasons and fill the missing pieces. One in a million still means one. They all bet against it, but I've just begun. I've prayed all night, 'cause I know something will work out. 'Cause you're one thing I can't bear to live without. Diving off, but I don't know if there's a deep end. Won't give up even if nobody sees it. You'll be here before we know it, I can feel it. You're my only reason. Know the doctor's gonna tell me your heart's beating. A mother knows her instincts better than her breathing. I can't wait to meet you in a couple seasons and fill the missing pieces. Never thought that it would be me, but I guess you never know what's underneath. Everybody gets their happy ending.
Guys, cut this playlist.
There's a pink line that I can't see. I've prayed all night, but it doesn't seem to work out. I've cried and hoped, what am I supposed to do now? Diving off, but I don't know if there's a deep end. Won't give up even if nobody sees it. You'll be here before we know it, I can feel it. You're my only reason. Know the doctor's gonna tell me your heart's beating. Mother knows her instincts better than her breathing. I can't wait to meet you in a couple seasons and fill the missing pieces. One in a million still means one. They all bet against it, but I've just begun. I've prayed all night, cause I know something will work out. Cause you're one thing I can't bear to live without. Tough enough, but I don't know if there's a deep end. Won't give up even if nobody sees it. You'll be here before we know it, I can feel it. You're my only reason.
So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and of course click the bell icon for future updates. See you in my next one. Bye.